Right now it's so hot that, like, obviously there's like a cool breeze for some reason, but it's like so hot that it's like prickly. And right now it's just hurting right now because I got like a couple layers on, but it's just amazing and all, but I'm getting hot. How does this place look? I'm getting Great Ocean Road vibes from this. I don't know if you... Damn. See over there. So apparently we're here on this lookout, and it's 1 kilometer ahead, so I'm just gonna jog it honestly. And insert the view of the lookout in 3, 2, 1. So this is the view of the lookout. It's basically just an extended view of what we saw earlier before. Bit anticlimactic, but it is what it is. This place is too deadly. So, current situation. We're at this hotel. Right now we're eating lunch, but the thing is, right now it's lunchtime and food here is like $40 minimum. I don't really like these long drives. Nothing really happens, and I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm trying to talk softly because there's a lot of people here, but here's what I did want to add. 600 subs, thank you. 20,000 views, thank you as well. But 1,000 by the end of the year, is that possible? Is it got 2 months ahead? Probably we're set to hit 800, but I don't know what else I'm gonna be adding here. It is really a nice place, but midnight blue serviettes, Stanley Rogers cutlery, matches the phone case. Nice. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I'm not really doing much. I hope you enjoyed the cinematics when we were at the beach. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. This day was pretty much a drag. I didn't really do much. Hopefully when I get home I can get some real work done, work on the website, work on advertising and marketing, working on, I think, generating more market sales, and that's it. That's basically my plan for these days, and also studying for exams. I got exams in a month, so here's also a little announcement. When November 18th, 19th, 20th, that's my exam week. I don't know how I'm gonna be within that month. In the month of November, it's gonna go ham. I'm gonna go ham on studying for exams. So if I don't upload 3 times a week, this is why. I'm lucky to get at least maybe an upload a week, or maybe even 2 uploads a week if I can push it. But I just wanted to let you guys know about that, because year 9 exams, they're really pretty serious if I'm honest. So that's basically the plan. And going Philippines November 24th. So on the day of my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, that's when I'm gonna go to the Philippines. Hopefully I can plan something special to schedule to be public on the 24th, because I don't want to miss it out. Just to see. I think I got a notification. It's my uncle. He just sent me text notifications. But I'm set to buy a new camera soon, because I want to bring another vlogging camera to the Philippines, because I'm not going to bring this M50 because it might get wrecked. So I don't want that to happen, and I want a pretty small camera, so it's like pretty concealed. I've been talking to this camera for 4 minutes, so I don't know where to go. I really like this tree. Look how rugged it looks. Like, it's a mighty fine tree right here, I just gotta say. It's really rugged. Got so much character, and so now what we're basically gonna do is... Oh, look at this little tree over there. Actually, we're gonna come back to this place, because there's like a millionaire walk, I think, back over there, where there's like multi-million-dollar houses, and they're really cool. And so we're probably gonna go back there after we eat. For some reason, I don't really like long drivings, because they're not really productive. I don't get any work done. Not like yesterday. Yesterday was productive because we did a lot of work on the website, a lot of work on generating sales, but I'll talk more about that later.